Defense aspirants, I am Vibha Gupta and I welcome you to the another lesson of Defense Mania. So in today's lesson, I'll be talking about 5 mistakes in ground tasks that leads to rejection. Now all these mistakes which I'll be talking about, these have been gathered from my past experiences in my SSB as well as from the knowledge which I've gathered from various assessors. Okay, so let's get started. So the first mistake which is committed by many of the aspirants is that they are not prepared enough. Having good knowledge gives you an edge over the others and also it gives you confidence. So if you have enough knowledge about the current issues, about the social issues which are prevalent in our society, you will know, you will ace your group discussion, you will ace your lecturate, and also this gives you confidence that yes, I can speak on that particular topic. So what are the things which you should do to improve your knowledge? So the first thing is you have to read newspaper. Second is read articles, especially editorials, because they also give you a solution and opinion based answers. And then you also have to be thorough with your social issues. And the most important thing is after reading you have to revise. Now the second mistake which many of the aspirants do is they tend to dominate the group. Now they forget that this is a group testing. It tests how an individual behaves in a group, and in this test the whole group is tested. Now what aspirants forget that they have 2 tasks in which they have to show their individual qualities, and hence they tend to do the same thing in the group task as well. So they tend to do these mistakes especially in their ground tasks, which is your PGT, HGT command, not command task, but other half group task as well. Now in my last SSB what happened is all the group members, they had lots of ideas, but what we did, we basically told every idea which were coming to our mind and we failed to implement those ideas, and that made the whole group slow. And our GTO, he interrupted us in between and he also pointed out that you have been talking a lot instead of implementing those ideas. So I suggest you please avoid those things. If you get one idea, please implement it and then move on forward. And if the brownie point are for those individuals who give solutions, especially in their ground tasks, when the whole group is stuck somewhere. All right. Now moving on to the next one, the third mistake which many of the aspirants do is they do not contribute towards a solution. Now in most of the tasks, we have to arrive at the solution, be it your GD, be it your GPE, or be it your ground task like PGT, HGT. Alright, so you have to, an individual has to contribute towards a solution and not just speak for the sake of speaking. You have to speak but something valuable which adds value to your assessment, which add value to your group. So how can you avoid these things? The first thing is you have to listen to everyone properly, especially in your GD, GP and your PGT. And if you are listening, you have enough knowledge to reciprocate to that thing, and you can also contribute effectively and efficiently in a group. Alright, now moving on to the next mistake which has been committed by many of the aspirants is they lack assertiveness. Now what is assertiveness? Assertiveness is not being aggressive. Assertiveness basically means you have to put on your ideas forward but also listen to the others carefully. Now how can you be assertive? You have to raise your voice when you are not finding any opportunity in a group. If you think that your point is valid enough, if your point will add value to your group solution or will take forward the group discussion, so you have to raise your voice a bit, and then you have to actively participate in all those group tasks. So this will show that you are assertive, you have the capability to raise your voice whenever it is required, and also you're not being aggressive, you're not dominating the group. So you have to be assertive, and lack of assertiveness will definitely leads to your rejection, because I have faced it in my first SSB. I was very aggressive and this has contributed to me getting conferenced out. And you also should avoid being aggressive, that is shooting on your ideas and not focusing on other group members, because this will also create a negative impact in front of your GTO. And the last mistake which has been committed by many of the aspirants is they lack confidence while speaking. Now you should keep in mind that you are about to be an officer. You are here for, get selected for being an officer in Indian Army, Air Force, or be it Indian Navy. So you have to have that, orating skills wherein you can make people listen you, wherein you can command people. So how can you showcase your confidence while speaking is you have to be loud, not yelling loud, but bold loud. All right. Second thing is if you have enough knowledge, which have been discussed in my previous points, if you have knowledge, then ultimately this will add on to your confidence level and it will boost up. Now, why it is important to be confident, especially in your ground task, is your GTO will observe you carefully and he will see if this person who's speaking or giving solution is confident enough to lead a group of men. Confidence comes in handy, especially when you are speaking in your group discussion, in your GPE, and also in your lecturate, which is again very important because therein you have to speak for 3 minutes and all eyes will be on you. So in a nutshell, the 5 mistakes which are committed by many of the aspirants in ground test are: first one is that they are not prepared enough. Second one is that they tend to dominate in a group and they forget that it's a group task, not an individual task. Third one is that they're not contributing towards a group solution, which is what is our ultimate aim. Fourth one is that they lack assertiveness, which is indeed very important to be a commander. Fifth one is that they lack confidence while speaking. And confidence is the key to ace SSB, be it your interview, be it your psychology, be it your ground task, and also it's handy in your screening. Thank you. I hope you have learned a lot from this. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
हम अपना फर्ज